guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing my June Ipsy try-on review. So if you would like to see what products I got in this Ipsy bag and how they perform, then you already know what to do. Just keep watching. Okay, so this is what my Ipsy bag looks like. I know other people got a yellow bag, so they had 3 shades of yellow. I don't know if they came out with additional colors or if it's just the blue and yellow, but I got the blue one. This is what the back looks like, so it's one solid color. The front has 3 stripes. The zipper is a heart shape with the Ipsy brand on there, so I think the bag is really cute. So for the month of June, if you guys don't know, June is Pride Month, so I guess they're going with a Pride theme. So this is what the little index card looks like, and it has a bunch of different Ipsy creators, and it's called Flying Colors. Can't talk. So basically it's all about Pride Month, and also they are working with MAC with this Ipsy bag, so I think we're getting, well, I know that I'm getting a MAC lip gloss. I don't know what other people have gotten, if every bag is getting some type of MAC product, but that's what it looks like. So I'm going to go in order of how I will apply these products to my face. So the first product that I have is called Dr. Lili Fan Probiotic Eye Repair Cream. Directions to use: apply in small dots around the eyes and gently smooth until thoroughly absorbed. And it also does list the website where you can apply this. So my face is freshly washed. I don't have anything on there, so I'm just going to put a couple dots under my eyes because they're super dry. So it just is a white cream. I do have a bunch in the cap, so I'm just going to go ahead and use whatever is in the cap for my under eye. And it does have a light scent to it. It's not anything overpowering. And I don't really know what it smells like. But my under eyes do feel really moisturized, so I think this will be a good eye cream. The next product that I got is another skincare product. So it is by a company called Innisfree Intensive Hydrating Serum with Green Tea Seed. So it says that it's a lightweight balanced blend of Jeju green tea extract and green tea seed oil. Locks in hydration from the first berry drop. After cleansing, apply evenly to face and neck, then pat for full absorption. And it smells, it does have a scent to it. It's more intense than that eye cream. And again, it kind of smells like a men's type of cologne or face wash or something like that. It is pretty liquidy. I mean, it is a serum. I just don't know how to apply this since it is so liquidy. Maybe I'll just like pour some out in the palm of my hand. I mean, it's not too liquidy. I'm just gonna put like 3 drops on my hand. I mean, it's sliding down, so I'm just going to just pat this on my face. My face does feel a little bit tacky, but it really just sunk right into the skin. I'm actually going to apply a little bit more. Why not? The next product that I got is a cream metallic foil eyeshadow from a company called Sahi or Sahi Cosmetics. So it's a cream eyeshadow, and it has jojoba oil. I know I'm saying that wrong. Jojoba oil. So this is what the shadow looks like. It's in the color called Dubai. And it has just the brand name on the front, so it's really cute. It's kind of chunky actually, so I don't know if it's going to be like sparkly. Take my finger, just swirl it around in that shadow. I'm going to spray it with some facial spray, and then just pat this on the lid. I am getting fall out with this look, so it's good that I didn't do my foundation before because it's coming off a little chunky. It does look really pretty though. So this is what the shadow looks like applied with my finger. I didn't apply it with a brush because I feel like with foiled shadows they're best applied with the finger. It's really pretty, so it's kind of like a soft champagne color. I do have like chunks of glitter on my lid, which isn't a problem, especially for this type of shadow. I mean, it's okay. I do have a little bit of fallout like underneath the eye. I don't know if I would purchase this product myself. It is really pretty though, so I'm going to go ahead and finish up with the eyes. So the next product that I got is a eyeliner, and it's by a company called Beauty For Real. It's the Eyeline 24/7 eyeliner, and it is in the color in the navy. So it's just one of those eyeliners that's retractable. You can turn it up and turn it down, or I guess twist it up and twist it down. It doesn't look like it's twisting up, so it may be broken, which I feel like the last eyeliner that I got in my Ipsy bag was broken, but let's see how this color looks. So it's really pretty. So it's not really navy, it kind of looks purple to me. I will go ahead and zoom you guys in. I'm going to put this on the lower waterline. We'll see how it performs there. Nothing is showing up on my waterline. Well, kind of have to run it back and forth a couple times. So I mean, it's there, like you can tell that I have on eyeliner, but it's not showing up that well. So what I'm going to do is kind of run this in between my lashes just to smoke out the lower lash line. Alright, and then for the last product in the Ipsy bag is a lip gloss from MAC, which I'm really excited about. So I got the color See-Through. I've never owned a MAC lip gloss before. So it comes with the little doe foot applicator. So it's kind of like a, I would say like a very nudie pink color. So I'm just going to apply it to bare lips. I'm not going to put any like lipstick or lip liner on my lips. I just want to see how it looks just by itself. So it's a pretty sheer product on its own. It's not very opaque. You can definitely tell that I do have kind of like a nudie type of gloss on my lips. It's not really sticky, which is nice. I don't like my lip glosses to be sticky. I mean, I think it's cute. So the first product that I have was that eye repair cream, which, you know, it was very thick and moisturizing, which I do like in eye cream, so I'm definitely going to keep on using this. The next product was this green tea hydrating serum. I do like it. The smell it's alright. It's not too bad, but I would prefer it not to smell like men's cologne. But I will definitely be using this. The next product was that eyeshadow, the foiled cream metallic foil eyeshadow. The color was pretty. It was very messy to use, and I kind of got like glitter chunks in the eye, but the more that I look at the eyeshadow, the more I like it. I just don't like the fact that it's so messy. The next product was the eyeliner, which is definitely a no for me. So, I mean, this is what it looks like. It just didn't perform the way that I want my eyeliners to perform. If it's a navy color, I want it to show up navy on my eyes. I don't want to have to guess and try and figure out what color it is. So this is, I don't know. And the last product was that little MAC lip gloss, which I do like. It's not sticky. I don't like my lip glosses sticky, and it was a pretty color, kind of like a sheer nudie color. So that completes June's Ipsy video. Remember to leave me a big old thumbs up if you liked the video. Leave me a comment down below. Subscribe to my channel if you are not already subscribed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.